Good morning, live from Cleveland. We are strapped in and ready to go. Got Jeff and Deb in their truck. Got a couple cars in there. Got mine locked and loaded. This is Sunday, guys. We're traveling early. We want to be the first people there just because this is vacation. Why not, right? Foxtoberfest 2024. Let's get it. Good morning from Concord, North Carolina. Tuesday morning. We've been here since Sunday, but nothing to get on video. We're starting off the day with something pretty cool. We're about to get the auto meter InVision cluster installed in the car. Hooked up with my buddy Darren with New Rad Solutions to help me out with this install and his using his plug and play harness, making the install immensely easier. But that's what we got going on today, so we'll get a little bit of video as we go. Darren getting himself set up. We'll see how things go. Stay tuned for more updates. We are out here. Now it's down to the dirty work. For Darren to do all this wiring, which thankfully, the plug and play harness makes that life real easy. We were just looking over the instructions, and sometimes you look at it and like, man, if not for this this harness, man, it'll be a little bit longer of a process. But we're about to find out. You guys know I love the parking lot stuff, man. I mean, come on. Can't get any better than that. We'll keep you updated. Alrighty, update. Me and Darren with New Rad Solutions are making quick, easy work of this install. Of course, as you guys I'm sure know before, it's got to go through the terrible part of taking it all apart, but going back in going to be much easier. Goodbye, motorsport cluster. Goodbye for now, at least. Time to make ourselves a little bit of an upgrade. Coming on in. Boy, I love this thing, man. Welcome to the 21st century.
2 hours later.
Cobras on the move. My New York family.
Subscribe, motherfucker.
What a way to kick off this video right here. Everybody, welcome to Foxtoberfest 2024. This is Wednesday. We are here at the Mustang Owners Museum. Everybody's meeting up here. Gonna go on a cruise to the mountains. This ought to be cool, but what a good way to start the video. Listen to Vinny's car. Gotta love it when the first time we bust out the camera, we got all these coming in. Looks like we're starting to fill up. Like I said earlier, this is just the meeting spot for the cruise that we're gonna go on to the mountains. I think we're going to like Morrow Mountain or something like that, I believe. I'll tell you what, man, these are some of my favorite parts. It's going on the cruises, getting out and enjoying these cars the way they're supposed to be driven. And I know that Jen, the host, is gonna put us into a really nice scenic route, I've gotta imagine. Yeah, buddy. Got the Celine. Random Celine there. Last year's Best in Chop winner right here from the Bash at the Brewery. Got another Celine over here. This thing's chopping lumber right there, man, I'll tell you. Feel like we got a nice little clean SSP over here. All right, back at it now. Yeah, let's get some of these cars on a video. We got the Fox Chamber right here looking oh so good. Shining in the sun. You got Mrs. Fox Chamber in the background. Man, nice little hatchback right there. Big fan of that color. It's a pretty sweet look. Kind of like that. Oof, what is this, a 4-cylinder? I think it's one of those EcoBoost 4-cylinders right here. Good Lord, is that gorgeous. Beautiful car, man, beautiful car. Golly. See, guys, this is why I want a Coyote swap mine. See this? Yes, the pushrod sound is amazing, but my Lord, the power that makes and how good it looks sitting in there. Oof. Yeah, she's a pretty one right here. She is a pretty one. Rocking those Recaros. I like it. I like it. Bless you. Sure, wait. Let's go see what else we can get into. My dear friend Lonnie's beautiful all original 4i car right here, man. We'll definitely get some more videos of this one. This thing is gorgeous. All original, low mileage, just stunning example. Stunning, stunning. Another kick-ass car right here, man. These New York boys know how to bring it, man. They sure do. Joey rocking them gold wheels. Gotta put the flavor on it, you know what I mean? Man, Carl with those wheels. Look at these wheels. They know how to do it different, man. They know how to do it different. Yeah, Vinny's car is just on a whole nother level. Yeah, the interior, he's got it all custom. Look at the stitching, even the teal stitching. That's why I love it, Vinny. It's all about the details, baby. It's all about the details. You got Nick's car too, completing the 4-pack. I mean, look at that spread though. Can't beat that. It's a nice little clean GT right here too. And of course, if you watch my videos, you already know whose car this is. What's happening, Brent? And you got John Saline. Man, this baby sounds so damn good too. I think I got a little clip of it earlier. Tell you, man, the more I see the Capris, man, I'm liking them. I'm liking them. My brother from another mother. Got Tate's car. All business. All business. That's good fitment right there. Hell yeah. All right, let's go see what else we can find. Let's go get them all. Check out the last of what we got going on here. I'll tell you, man, 93 Cobras. It's the year. Got the Cobra R. Yeah, my dirty car. Telling you, boys and gals, stick around. What you don't see, you'll be seeing more of. Got the auto meter cluster installed. It'll be sweet. Getting lined up for the cruise. Be a nice sight to see the whole time right there. Looking at the new cluster. It's gonna be cool. Officially in the mountains, moving through the thick of things. I love this stuff. We have arrived to the top of the mountain. We've officially made it to the top of the mountain. Got to get the little photo op. Everybody's still coming in. Let's get it. What's up, baby? One hell of a view from up here, man. I believe this place is called Morrow Mountain, I think. I'll tell you, man. Came here a couple years ago and did this, and I'll tell you what, amazing. Got the rest of the crews coming on in. Look at that, what a view. Best chop winner last year, chopping away. Nice little clean GT right there. Let's see what else we got coming. Man, nice old vert. Nice little hatchback. We got another one back there beyond the SUV that I cannot see. I like that GT, man. Looking retro. Capri Nation. baby. God, that's a nice bird right there, man. I love that thing. It's the New York boys. New York boys. It's Joey Cruz. As he would say, we outside. A couple more of the Mustangs. We like Mustangs. This is what we prefer. Oh, look at that tire on that thing. Yeah, that's a nice tire. Well, guys, that's it for this one. Apparently, I put the camera down and started talking with some friends. Hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. Stay tuned for the next one. Prestige Motorsports coming up next.